Hello everyone, today in this video I will show you how to fix dealing with cellular signals problem in iPhone 16 Pro Max. So first of all, before watching this video, don't forget to subscribe the channel and also press the bell icon. So let's start the video. First of all, open settings and scroll down. And here you can see the option aeroplane mode. Simply you can turn on aeroplane mode or turn off aeroplane mode here. If you turn on aeroplane mode, all your cellular or internet service will be turned off. And if you turn off this aeroplane mode, it will be turned on your cellular data and Wi-Fi services automatically. And go back your home screen. The another way to turn on or turn off aeroplane mode in iPhone, then simply swipe down to your control center and here you can see the aeroplane mode icon. Simply you can turn on or turn off aeroplane mode here. After turning on or off aeroplane mode, your cellular signals problem will be fixed. If it doesn't fix, then reset all your network settings. For reset all your network settings, open settings and then click on general. And now scroll down and click on transfer or reset iPhone. And then click on reset and in second you can see the option reset network settings. Now simply click on reset network settings and now enter your passcode to reset all your network settings. And here it will be confirmed to reset all your network settings, but it will never destroy any other data like photos, videos and other data. It will only reset all your network settings. After reset all the network settings, your problem will be fixed. Thanks for watching this video.